Dad, pakuha nga ng tubig. Thank you.
Dad, pakuha nga ng tubig. Thank you.
Okay, dadaling ko na dyan.
Share ko lang yung bago ko na-discover. It's BuzzUp! It's a modern walkie-talkie where you can send your voice message in real time. Super easy na lang makipag-communicate with your loved ones. Just push and hold the push-to-talk feature or the green button at makakausap mo na sila. Kaya kahit nakalock ang screen ng phone mo, automatic mapiplay ang voice message na marireceive mo. At meron na din itong quiet mode feature ha. May voice emoji feature din na kapag pinindot mo, may sounds din. Ang cute, di ba? Kaya stay connected with your family, friends, and loved ones. Download the Bass app now. Bass, communication made